Hello, this technology is called ArchChinese.com. It's a great way to learn radicals and Chinese letter writings. The more I searched, the more I found new great technology for learning Chinese. I don't write a lot, but I teach students to type using WeChat group, like a Chinese social media similar to WhatsApp group, and that way they learn a more practical way to do Chinese letters, characters. But I think it's important for them to learn the basic Chinese handwriting, calligraphy. So this website really helps to work on their strokes, their Chinese writing. It's such a complete website, not just writing. You can see the standard Chinese writing paper they can practice, and they give you very systematic step-by-step ways to learn how to write, and gives you the detailed explanation. What does it mean? Also, just a fun way to with pictures for students to see, and some card for students to play with. Just great way, and also pronunciation to learn, connect the pronunciation with the character Chinese writing. So it's a great way to learn Chinese writing, with also games to connect the words with the pictures, and help students to pronounce, give the detailed pronunciation so students can learn both the words and the pronunciation. Just great ways to use this website to help students to learn the meaning, characters, and pronunciation all at the same page. So great way to learn Chinese. Also has all sorts of categories, online games to keep students learning more fun, other activities, and just great way to choose for students to learn. So for ISTE, I think it's 3.3, empowering leaders. Leaders create a culture where teachers and learners are empowered to use technology in innovative ways to enrich teaching and learning. So this is a great tool for students to learn. Thank you.